Monday morning, see the children on their way to school. Clouds are hanging low around my heart, the air was cold. I've got the strangest feeling, like I'm waiting for a change. Looking out the window at the roses in the rain. Walked around the supermarket, talking to myself. The man behind the counter asked me if I need some help. I knew that he could see it, 'cause he didn't know what to say. So asked him if he knew about the roses and the rain. Maybe in a little while I'll put some coffee on. Can't stop wondering where the spirits go when they are gone. Maybe it was tomorrow, but it felt like today. You and I were walking. You and I were walking. You and I were walking through the roses in the rain.